Hey hookers, Merry Christmas and welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. My name is Christy and today I'm going to show you how to make some cute little mini fluffy pony holder holders, I guess you would call them, in some nice white for Christmas if you need them. So if you have some yarn and a hook, let's get started. Alright, so I'm making this with this little mini elastic here. They're Goody elastics and they're smaller than the usual one. I just needed some to go with my Santa tops that I'll be making and posting as well on my channel, so keep your eye out for that. There's a short on my channel of it already made. So just chain, you're going to chain over the elastic and then you want to crochet over the little piece of yarn. I'm going to do 20 half double crochet in total, and you want to crochet over the elastic and that little piece of yarn. Like I said, it's going to be buried in this nice fluffy yarn here. And again, 20 half double crochet. It's a really simple, quick project. Even a kid could do it. It would be really awesome for one of their first projects. And they are just so cute to go with anything for Christmas or winter theme. And you would normally buy these at the store for, you know, way too much. You could make a bunch of these in minutes. So I would like to thank everyone for subscribing so far while we're making this. I do really appreciate you all, and for watching my videos and for following me all over the place. And well, just basically thank you all for everything. It's been quite the journey so far. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and turn on notifications and make sure that they are on so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Like this video, make sure it stays in the algorithm. And if you haven't already, please check out my Patreon. I do mail out, if you sign up to my tier for $3 a month, it's called Tip the Artist. If you sign up to that, I'll send you out a free baby octopus that I made. I have a few left to send out. I already mailed out 2. And it would be nice to get a third patron before Christmas, so. And I'd be happy to mail you out a little friend as long as I can. Some places are restricted on the Canada Post website, but I'll mail them out to wherever I can. And if you would like to make a one-time donation, I can take that through e-transfer or PayPal. You just have to message me somewhere. All my social links are actually linked under my name on my YouTube channel. So you can get a hold of me anywhere there for that information as well. So we're done. I'm just going to go in the top of the stitch and do a slip stitch. Leave a long enough tail. And this is so easy to bury it in because of the nice fluffy yarn. I feel like it took longer to do the tutorial because I had to hold it. I made 2 of these so fast last night. It was awesome. And my daughter loves playing with them. I'm going to lose my voice here. I didn't bring a drink up with me to do my voiceover. Alright, so I'm threading the needle here and just going to shove it in a few times to hide the yarn. And you can feel with your hand and just tuck it right in a few times before snipping the rest. I can't wait to post my Santa top. Like I said, there's a few promo videos for it out. So if you go on my channel, there's one there specifically. And that's what I made these to go with. I'll make sure to link everything together. But this is all done. Here's another one I made. So nice and fluffy and cute and quick. Awesome job, guys. Yay!